आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we have been asked, state the principle of working of PN diode as a rectifier. Okay, with the help of circuit diagram, explain and redraw input and output waveform. Okay, so we'll see the circuit diagram first. So here we have a full wave rectifier. In this, we have our input here. Let us call it V in, and we have the output here. So for if we assume that our input V in is something like this, then we'll see that in the positive half this is V in. So we'll have V in here and 0 here and V in upon 2 here in the center, as the voltage will be linearly spread across the inductor or transformer, we can say. So at the point A we have V in potential, and when we have the positive part of the V in, then this diode is short circuited, as here we have V in and here we can see that here we have 0. Okay, so this diode will be forward bias, so it will act as short circuit, and for this diode we have here 0, and at this point we have this V in by 2. Okay, so this will be reversed bias, so it will act as open circuited. So at the output what we'll get, this is short circuited, so V in will flow as in like, so here we will have V in, and from here we will get V in by 2. So the output will be, if we draw the output waveform here, then output will be half of input. Now we will get output as V in by 2. This is V in divided by 2 for the positive half. Now for the negative half, for negative we will understand it. So for the negative part, what we will have here, we have V in here and 0 here, in the middle V in by 2. So at this point we have V in, and at this point we have, from here we can see this wire is continuous, so we have something less than V in, so this will be forward bias, so this will act as short circuit. And for this diode we have 0 here, and this V in, as this is short circuited, this V in will flow here, so at this point we will have, this 0 is formed from previous one, so here we will have V in, so this diode will be open because of reverse bias. So at this point we will have V in, and at this point we have V in by 2. So the difference between them is V in by 2, and that is our output. So we got the same output as we got earlier. So we have the same output. So this is our output wave. So we have the circuit diagram here. We explained the working, and we have the input and output waveform here. This is our input and this is output. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।